Let's count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and our last car, number 7. We have 7 cars. Red, orange, yellow, light green, green, blue, and purple. Now that we have our cars sorted, let's put them in garages. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 garages that go way up high. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars. 1 car for each garage. Let's figure out where each car goes. Here's the number 1. Where does the number 1 car go? Right here, in the 1 garage. How about the number 2? Do you know where the number 2 goes? Let's see. All the way up here into the number 2 garage. Next we have number 3. Where does the number 3 go? Let's see. Right here. Now it's the number 4's turn. Where do you think the number 4 goes? I'll bet it goes right up here in the number 4 garage. The next 3 garages are way up high, so we have to look up. Here's the number 5. Where do you think the number 5 goes? Right up here. Next we have the number 6. Where do you think the number 6 goes? Did you say here? Good job. That's where the number 6 goes. Our last car is the number 7. The number 7 goes, whoa, way up high, in the number 7 garage. We parked all of our cars in a garage. Oh no, our garages got turned around. How will we know what car is inside? Maybe we can count and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll bet the number 7 car is in this garage. It is! Alright, that's how we can find out what car is where. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the number 5. Let's try counting on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the number 6. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the number 4. And this one? 1, 2. It's the number 2. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3. It's the number 3. Last one. Any guesses? 1. It's the number 1. Good job. Look at how tall our car tower is. We're missing a car. It's the number 1. Wait for me, guys. Wait for me. Oh no! Oh no, number 1. Oh well, better luck next time. Hey Hey guys, today we have a big red bus and it's gonna take people to work. It has plenty of seats, so let's start loading it up. Off it goes. Wow, look at all these people waiting for the bus to come. There it is now. The driver is ready, so let's start loading it up. Let's load the bottom first. Can you count how many people we're gonna fit on the bus?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Here's all the people on the bottom. Now let's fit some more people on by adding the top.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Great job! There are 14 people on our bus. And they're all ready to go to work. Let's send them off. All right, we're here. And here comes our first vehicle. It's a cement mixer, and it is red. The cement mixer is driven by a truck driver. Bye, truck driver and cement mixer. All right, on to our next vehicle, and it is a postal truck. Postal trucks deliver mail, and they are white. It's driven by a postal worker. Whoa, here comes some race cars. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 race cars. First we have the number 1 race car driven by the red race car driver. And next we have the number 2 race car driven by the yellow race car driver. Our third race car is driven by the green race car driver. Here he goes. And finally, our fourth race car and last race car is driven by the blue race car driver. And now here's an ambulance. The ambulance helps people that are hurt. It's white. It's driven by a paramedic. Here she is. Off she goes to help people that are hurt. Whoa, look at this awesome tractor. It's got a cool shovel for digging dirt. And it is orange. The tractor is driven by the construction worker. Wow, a police car, my favorite. Police cars help keep us safe. It even has a cool star on the side too. It is blue. The police car is driven by a police officer. Here you go. Now it's a recycle truck. Recycle trucks help keep the world clean by taking trash and turning it into new stuff. This recycle truck is green. Recycle trucks are driven by garbage truck drivers. Now we have a fire truck with a ladder and hose to put out fires. The fire truck is red. And it's driven by a fireman. Here comes a dump truck. Dump trucks haul dirt to and from construction sites. This one is blue and yellow. And it's driven by a truck driver. Our last vehicle is a school bus for taking kids to school. The school bus is yellow. And it's driven by a bus driver. Off to school. All right, let's put the top back and send the bus back. Whoa, look at how fast the race cars are going. Oh no, they crashed and made a mess. Here comes a fire engine to put out the fire. And the police officer is going to give them tickets for going too fast. He sounds really mad. I hope they learned their lesson. Here comes an ambulance to take them to the hospital to make sure they didn't get hurt. Off they go. Now here comes the wrecker to take the cars to get fixed. And a bulldozer to clean up the road. The dump truck's gonna take all the debris to the dump. Hey guys, look! It's the ambulance with the race car drivers from earlier. And guess what? They're not hurt after all. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Bye!